Hello, 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 hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Yeah. Yesterday, anybody not attending also, don't worry. Just I'm telling about only one small concept only. Whenever any users wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, this is a client server architecture. Some tool is required. Those are called query tools or client tools. One of the tool is default tool, that is SQL plus tool. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, automatically default tool is there, SQL plus tool. Suppose explicitly you want to interested to install a what another tools means stored SQL developer. These tools are available. SQL developer is about one of the most popular tool. Unfortunately, whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically SQL plus tool is there. What is the navigation in a nowadays and olden days? Yesterday I told no. Yeah, very good. This is the way up to yesterday we are discussing. But anybody newcomers means don't worry. These are small concepts. Okay, yeah. Okay, now again, observe it here, concentrate. But unfortunately, what the problem is, already I told yesterday last only, anybody observing or not. Suppose, okay, in a previous classes, this type of coding is there. Oh, don't worry. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose I'm opening a what SQL plus tool. Okay, na? Yeah. Here in every database, default username and passwords are there. Practice purpose. Just okay, they are providing only. Now, what is the default username in a where Oracle side? Not a Scott. Already I told yesterday. What is the default username? System is a default username. Scott is a popular user. I'm agree. Okay, in enterprise edition only Scott user is available. Today I will tell you those things. But default user is system. In a system user, there is no predefined tables. Don't worry. That's why there is not popular. Sys and system is a popular. Sorry, default users. And what is the password means? Installation time, whatever password you are giving, that password only. Okay. Installation time, suppose forgetting that password, how can we change that password also in a future? I will tell you, don't worry. And now observe it here. Yes, this password also, don't worry here. And now installation time given password, we are changing that password also. I will tell you, system is a password. But unfortunately, enterprise edition is a what? Some edition is there. Today I will tell you. In that one, extra users are there. Those extra users are nothing but a what? Scott, HR. These are extra users only. Okay, na? Yeah. Now, first you are a good professional means how you are learning what this concept means. First observe here. In a way, by either any software you are loading, okay, either okay, enterprise or expression or standardization. So many editions are there. Don't worry. Today you are learning. Once we are installing a what that one, what is the username? System and password is here installation time given password. Installation time given password. Okay, na? Given password. How can I remember what when we are forgetting that password? What happened? I will tell you. Don't worry. Take a snap. This one. Yesterday, some fellows are take a snap no through mobile. Yeah. Firstly, take a snap. Now, concentrate here. Suppose uh, 1 minute observe here. Here, screen observe it. Enterprise edition. Something is there or not? Yes. Screen observe it. Suppose in a future you are installing a what Oracle software. Okay. Yeah. Whenever you are trying to install a what Oracle software, how can I download those all the things? Later I will tell you, don't worry. Here, these softwares are there. Okay, Oracle's software downloads are there. In that one, these type of zip folders in a future we are downloading only. Okay, yeah. In that Oracle site only, so many softwares are there. Here, Enterprise Edition, Express Edition, those softwares are there. What is those enterprise edition, express edition? First you are learning, then only you are understandable which edition you are installing, which edition explicitly there, which edition okay the better to install, which edition used by Java developers. Those all the things I will tell you. Okay, yeah. 1 minute observed here. Every Oracle version having a what? Two editions are there. One is express edition, another one is enterprise edition. Observed here. Every Oracle version, either 10G, either 11G, either 12C, either 18C, either 19C, either 21C, any version also, two main editions are there. One is Express edition, another one is Enterprise edition. Which edition, what is that? That one, those, all the things I will tell you. Actually, 4 editions, but outside, 2 editions are there. Take a snap, this one. Every Oracle version having following 2 editions. These are first one Express edition, second one Enterprise edition. But in our class, we are installing a what? Enterprise edition in the future, don't worry. But all the things better to know. In every database also, Enterprise edition is there. Enterprise editions are main editions. Okay, na? Finished? Yeah. Okay, suppose in a Oracle version software you are try to install means that is in market only Express edition or Enterprise edition is available. Okay, in these 2 editions, default username is what? System. Installation time password means given password. Observe here. In these 2 editions, by default username is system and password is olden days manager, but nowadays installation time given password. Okay, take a snap this one also. Practically you are installing. Now onwards, 10 minutes concentrate. What is this Express edition? What is this Enterprise edition? Slowly observe it here. Through today, SQL plus tool settings, I will tell you through the Enterprise edition. Then only installation process we are starting. Okay, better. Otherwise, confusing only. Now check it out. Concentrate, slowly observe it here. Business side, I will tell you because today technically you are not good. Maybe some experienced persons are there in our class, but most of the newcomers are there, I think. Okay, yeah. Now check it out. That's why business side I will tell you better. Your understandable format. Suppose I am a Java programmer. For example, I am working in a where Java program, Java full stack. I am learning only. For example, I learn Java full stack. Then I am joining in a company as a Java full stack developer. One of the stays in my company side, I try to use. I am working as a what JDBC project, database related concepts. Okay, JDBC project, for example. Maybe so many Java developers are there in our class, I think. Now, I am also, my colleagues also using a what? One database, but the clients decided this database is a what? Oracle database for storing a data. Stored procedure purpose, storing data purpose, so much of purpose, okay? Oracle database. But unfortunately, slowly observed here, before we are starting a what this project, here higher authority persons are there. These persons are in this project, higher authority persons in my company, interested to purchase a what? Original software. We are installing a what? Pirated softwares. Don't worry. Okay. Learners or anything. But companies are interested to purchase original softwares. Now these higher authority persons contact a what? Oracle Corporation sales team, for example. Those persons are asking, which edition do you want? They're asking. Oracle database having a 2 editions are there. Which edition do you want? Is asking only because every edition cost is different. One is Express edition is available. Another one is what? Enterprise edition is available. Which edition do you want? They're asking. But unfortunately, according to my experience, most of the client applications like Java, .NET, Python, PHP, these type of front-end developers are interested to purchase 80% of the case interested to purchase only Express edition. Why? What is the reason behind that one? Any reason is there? Interested to purchase Express edition, Java developer side also. Okay, yeah. Why means first reason is cost is very low compared to Enterprise edition. This edition cost is very low. Business purpose only they are dividing a what Express edition, Enterprise edition. Really correct. But our point of view, just observe it here. First time newcomer, cost is very low compared to where compared to where enterprise edition. Why cost is very low means the reason is there. It does not support all Oracle features. So many Oracle features are there. It does not support all Oracle features. It does not support all Oracle features also. So now here, yes, it is useful in a way in a client application. Yes. Why? Because now these persons, either Java, .NET, these type of users or developers are, yes, using a what? Only less concepts from the database. Only common concepts. Suppose Java developer means stored procedures they are using. Again, joins they are using. Again, raise underscore application underscore error they are using. Those are common. Okay, na? Yeah. Not required to use all the concepts. That's why, yes, here these persons are interested to purchase a what? Express edition. These Java, .NET, Python, these type of programmers. But this Express edition does not have any extra users. Only one user is there, system user is there, or sys user is available. In this system user or sys user, there is no predefined tables. These predefined tables are not available. That's why who are working in aware web applications, otherwise who are working in aware client side applications, Java, .NET, Python, these type of applications, those persons are, yes, using a what? Most of the 80% of the case, Express edition only. But I am a learner, you are a learner, not interested to learn through Express edition. Why? Because predefined tables are not there. Means confusing only, because each and every time you are creating our own tables and we are interact with the subject, means it will little bit of difficult. That's why always we are learning what enterprise edition through. But unfortunately, observe here, Express edition having only one user. What is that user? System is a user. Now check it out. Observe here, Express edition. In Oracle, Express edition does not support all Oracle features. Okay, yeah. Suppose recycle bin is a concept is there in a feature. Same like a Windows recycle bin that is available in Enterprise edition, but in Express edition that is not there. Okay, so many features. But one of the feature I'm writing in a future reading purpose. Express edition cost is very low compared to Enterprise edition. Express edition does not have any predefined tables. Express edition is having only one user system or sys. Generally, Express editions are used to connect client applications like Java, Python, PHP, etc. Take a snap this one. Take a snap through the mobile. Completed. Did you complete this one? Next. Okay, some fellows are practicing about Express edition through, don't worry, but just observe it here. Next, main edition. In every database, main edition is enterprise editions. What is enterprise edition means? Observe it here. Suppose, for example, reality side. I am working in a where PLSQL developer job in my company. Okay, for example, whenever I am working as a PLSQL developer job, yes, here PLSQL means it supports a what? So, this PLSQL developer uses a what? Required to use a what? More features from Oracle database. That's why these persons are okay interested to work with a what? Enterprise edition only. In a real time is 100% enterprise edition, because that is a pure database project. Suppose I am working in a where Oracle apps, for example, that is a ERP 11i ERP is there. In that one also, yes, which database I'm using? Enterprise edition only I'm using. Why? Because it is also supports all Oracle features. Again, observe it here. Again, okay, data warehousing project side. Maybe anybody working in a where Informatica, anybody working in a where talent, anybody working in a data stage, these type of data warehousing application side, always pure database features are required. In that case, more features are required. Express edition does not support only all Oracle features. That's why these persons are installing a what? Enterprise editions in okay in a company side. Okay, administrator decided, but my interest purpose I'm telling enterprise edition only they're using. But unfortunately, enterprise edition really cost is very high compared to where, yes, here, express edition. Lakhs of rupees different. Okay, yeah. And now observe here, concentrate in anywhere in the worldwide also. In SQL Server Enterprise Edition also cost is very high because Enterprise Editions are main editions. Yes, and Oracle Enterprise Edition also, yes, cost is very high because it supports all Oracle features. Now, suppose recycle bin is there, it will be supported like that. Okay, now observe here. Actually, learners, I am also, you are also interested to install a what? Enterprise edition. Why means this is a pirated software also. Yes, here, why means in Enterprise edition, what is the advantage means in a first time newcomer side, in Enterprise edition, extra users are available. Along with the system user, extra users are available. What are the extra users are available means Scott is an extra user is available, HR is an extra user is available. In this Scott user only, predefined tables they are providing a what? Oracle Corporation. That's why maybe Scott user is popular. Okay, maybe so many fellows having idea. EMP, DEPT, sal grade, year, bonus, these type of predefined tables are available. Through these tables, more than 90 concepts in a database, very easily understandable, very fastest way, quickest way, we are learning only because all these predefined tables are designed based on the third normal form. That much of powerful actually. Okay, not a problem that one. Now check it out. You are reading about this theory. First time newcomers, observe it here. Enterprise edition supports all Oracle features. Enterprise edition cost is very high compared to Express edition. Enterprise edition also having extra users like Scott Kamacher. In Scott user by default username is Scott and password is Tiger. We are changing that password also in installation time. I will tell you. A Scott user also having following predefined tables: EMP, DEPT, sal grade, bonus. Take a snap this one. Take a snap. Okay, now very good. But why I am injecting a what these enterprise edition, these express edition means SQL plus tool is there no yesterday. That tool having some problems. Those problems you are understandable today very easy through the enterprise editions. Then only that problems you are rectifying in a real time or outside also. Those settings you are good means then only installation process you are understandable. Okay, na? Yeah. Now check it out. First observe here, concentrate here, concentrate here. Suppose this is enterprise edition. Already I installed a what enterprise edition. Don't worry. In a future, again I will tell you. Okay, enterprise edition. In this enterprise edition, extra user is a what? Which user? Scott user. Okay, for example. Now check it out. Check it out here. I want to view current user means show space user semicolon. These are SQL plus tool commands. Some commands you must familiar. Okay, yeah, interacting with the environment purpose. Show space user means yes, here user is Scott. It will display or not? Yes, here. Suppose here 1 minute only. Here my name Murali only. I am also creating my own name user. In a future, how can I create users? I will tell you. Observe it here. In this user, I want to view means which user is connected to user. Okay, so server means show space user semicolon press enter key. Every statement ends with semicolon. Morally is displayed or not? Okay, yeah. Why I'm telling about this extra user also means reason is there. Why? Because through that one tables, all the things difference you are understandable. And now suppose daily I am also you are also writing a what coding. Okay, SQL PL SQL coding. If you want to clear the screen means a CL space SCR semicolon we are typing. Just here CL space SCR is nothing but a what clear screen only. Okay, yeah, in enterprise edition side. Now up to this one, better to take a snap to view current user syntax show space user semicolon. Take a snap fastly. Okay, now very good. Yes, to clear screen means CL space STR. And now observe it here. Suppose why I'm telling this one means reason is there. Suppose in this user, okay, yeah, Murali user is there. In this Murali user, yes, okay. For example, one user is there. In that user, which tables are there? Those all tables, list of tables I want to view means in a particular user means select star from tab. We are using tab is a synonym. Those all the things only. Here A is a table is there in my okay Murali user. But suppose here in this Scott user, which tables are there? I want to view means observe it here. This is a show user, different users only different tables. Observe it here. Now check it out. In this Scott user, which tables are there? I want to view means select star from tab semicolon like this. Here so many tables are there daily in my classes. I'm creating a tables and also predefined tables also available or not. Here observe it here. Here DEPT is a table predefined. EMP is a table. Okay, na sal grade is a table. Bonus is a table. Like this only, these are predefined tables also available or not? Yes, that's why here now check it out. Here to view all tables of a particular user, syntax is select star from tab semicolon. What is tab? What is star? Don't ask only later. You are familiar in SQL language side. Just blindly first observe it here. Take a snap this one. In a future after installation one or two times checking purpose. Okay, yeah. To view all tables of a particular user, select star from tab semicolon. Complete. Very good. Here this one also take a snap. Select a star from tab EMP DEPT sal grade bonus. Take a snap first. Complete. And now observe here, very important. Why I'm telling a what directly this one means reason is there here. Why environment problem is there? Suppose EMP table Oracle Corporation giving a what little bit of big table. Okay, na? Yeah. Again, DEPT table Oracle Corporation giving a what a small table. Whenever you are trying to display in SQL plus tool these small tables, there is no problem. But big tables means it does not display properly. That's the problem. Now that's why suddenly I'm taking a what these enterprise editions and all these things because SQL plus tool yesterday we are starting only that a tool having some problems only. Now check it out. Check it out here. Suppose here this SQL plus tool is there. In this one, yes, here I try to display what a particular table means. Here, 1 minute. Here select star from table name is a syntax is there. Through that one, I try to display okay, big table what happened. How you are setting an environment, I will tell you. Take a snap to view particular table. Select star from table name. In a future SQL language command this one. Select update insert. So many commands are there. Take a snap fast. To view particular table, select star from table name. Okay, na? Yeah, very good. Semicolon. Every statement ends with semicolon. Observe here, concentrate here. Suppose here this is SQL plus tool. No, yes, I try to display a small table. Suppose select star from DEPT is a small table Oracle provided. Yes, this small table I am typing means there is no problem. Oh, maybe these are columns and also these are rows. Easily you are understandable. Visibility more clear or not? Yes, here. But unfortunately, EMP is a little bit of big table they are providing practice purpose. That a table, big tables they are trying to display means it does not display properly. Suppose observe it here, screen observe it. Select a star from EMP like this. Yes, it does not display properly. What is this one? Yes, EMP is a big table, I'm agree. Now here, yes, but it does not display properly. It returns some gaps, no? Yeah, some gaps are there. What is this data? What is that one? Confusing only. Why? Because it does not display properly. Why it is not displayed properly means how we are setting environment means I will tell you. Actually, Oracle Corporation telling a what in SQL plus tool, Toad is there is no problem. SQL developer there is no problem. SQL plus tool only problem. In SQL plus tool, sometimes a big tables we are displaying means this type of way it will displayed. It does not display properly. Why means reason is there. In SQL plus tool, each line, this is a line only, each line having a what maximum 80 bytes. maximum 80 byte. Each character is a 1 byte. Each space also 1 byte. Don't worry. Maximum 80 bytes. Our table having a what? At least one line having a what? More than 80 bytes. Then those next columns are displayed in a next line. Suppose department number column is displayed in a next line. That's why these gaps are generated. Really, that is correct. Yes, here by default, okay, size means show space all I'm typing. And now check it out. Screen observe it here. Line size is a variable is there. Observe here. Line size is a SQL plus tool variable is there. Here by default maximum how many bytes? 80 bytes only. Suppose in our table in a row having a what more than 80 bytes, then it does not display properly. To overcome this problem, if you want to okay, display properly those big tables means you must setting environment of the SQL plus tool by using a predefined SQL plus environment settings only. And now how can I means just observe here, set is a command is there, set a line size, okay, or set a line or set a line size. Here more than 80 means some number we are using only 100,000 or anything, then automatically yes, observe here, select a star from table name. Yes, this big table also properly displayed or not. Again some problems are there, at least compared to previous case it will display the word properly or not. This is set command is nothing but a SQL plus tool environment command only. And now here check it out. Here suppose I want to view time means set here 1 minute only. In a future SQL plus tool commands are there. Set time on. What is the time now? 11 o'clock, 37 minutes, 15 seconds or not. I want to off the time means set a time off. These type of commands are there in a future SQL plus tool side. Okay, yeah, here. And now check it out. Same like set commands through we are setting environment only. And now check it out. Here, observe here, select star from EMP I'm typing. In this case, Oracle Corporation telling, observe here in SQL plus tool, by default each line having maximum 80 bytes. Okay, now in our table, any line having more than 80 bytes, then that table does not display properly. To overcome this problem, then we must set a line size SQL plus environment variable by using following syntax. What is the syntax? Set a line size in a number, semicolon, or set a line in a number. These are predefined. Take a snap this one fast. In a future, after installation, within 5 minutes only, you are checking this all the things. And also real-time projects and also daily you are using these settings. SQL plus tool environment problems these are. Take a snap this one fast. Okay, na? Syntax, set a line size in a number semicolon, set line in a number semicolon. This one also take a snap. I am taking a what 100, you are taking 1000, 10,000, anything like this. Set a line 100 semicolon, select star from EMP semicolon. Complete. And now observe here, not only this one, another problem occurred. Observe here, concentrate here. This is a one settings we are using only, okay, SQL plus tool side. And now observe here, EMP table 1 minute, observe here. Here employee number is a column is there, no? Yes, here some numbers are there, but again this column name is repeated. Again, name is a column is there, no? After some data, again this column name is repeated. What is this one? Again, job is a column is there, no? Some data is displayed after that one. Again, this column name is repeated. Why means actually Oracle Corporation telling in SQL plus tool, this is called page. Each page having a what? Maximum 14 lines. Observe here. Each page having a what? maximum 14 lines. Lines means including heading also. Observe it here. Yeah, maximum 14 lines here. Now, suppose our table having a more than 14 lines are there, it will be treated as a new page only. That's why, yes, again, those column names are repeated. They're telling only. To overcome this problem, we must set environment. How we are setting a what? SQL plus tools environment means set is a command is there. Page size here, in a occasion 100,000, 50, anything also. And now here then automatically big tables also displayed properly or not? Yes. Oh, maybe visibility good means maybe then easily understandable data. Oh, this is a what Smith is an employee, clerk is a job. Okay, joining date means 17th December 1980. Okay, 800 is a salary, commission is a null 20. Easily understandable. Otherwise confusing. Okay, it will take a time only. What kind of gaps are there? This does not display properly means yeah, okay, so now some problems occurred. That's why always better to display properly. Same like a small tables. These big tables also better to display in a where properly in a where SQL plus tool means compulsory we must set environment. Yes, here these environment commands you must familiar only. That's why I'm telling only. Now check it out. Observe it here in SQL plus tool by default each page having maximum 14 rows. Why they are giving 14 rows? Nobody knows. Whenever our table having more than 14 lines, then automatically column names are repeated in a table. To overcome this problem, then we must set SQL plus tool page size environment variable by using following syntax. Syntax is set page size in a number. Take a snap this one. Fastly take a snap. Complete. Very good. And now here I am giving a what? 50 is a number. You are giving a what? Anything also. Okay, na? And now here concentrate here. Very important. Actually, in the olden days, these two settings, but nowadays not required. Oracle 18C onwards, simple command is there. Screen observe it. 18C onwards. Now check it out. I'm opening a what? This SQL plus tool. Here enterprise edition, that's why extra user through we are starting. In that one, this is the EMP table is there. Okay, big table. It does not display properly. But if you want to display properly means nowadays 18C onwards, set line here, window is a command is there enough. Page size, line size, these type of things not required. Then this command through automatically server only checking okay, so now set the environment automatically. Observe it here. Very easy. No? This is the latest command. Set a line window. But why I'm telling a old and command? I mean, still so many companies side 11G, 12C, 10G, 9I, these type of software still they are using only. Okay, yeah. That's why I'm telling old and concepts also. And now here check it out. Here observe here Oracle 18C, new 18C, 19C, 21C, 23C. These are latest version. Oracle 18C introduced a window option along with the set line size command in SQL plus tool side. Set line size window. Okay, na? This command dynamically change and format the displayed output to fit the screen or window size. Simple. This is the latest. Better to know this one also. Take a snap fast. Complete. Okay, now whenever we are using a what this command, we are not required to use a what page size. Observe here. When we are using this command, then we are not required to use page size command. Take a snap. This one also. Fastly take a snap. Once your installation done means easily you are understandable these commands. Complete. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose you are a first time newcomer. You are confusing. Okay, what is these SQL plus tool commands are there? Which page size, line size? Murali are telling only he is experienced person, anything also. But you are a first time newcomer also. You are also interested to yes, okay, view and okay, checking what these commands means. Better to use one command only. What is that one? Through that command, we are viewing a whatever predefined SQL plus tool environment commands, and explicitly whatever they are giving a settings or default settings, it will display. What is that one means? Simple command, show space all. Observe it here. Show space all is a command is there. Through that one, we are interested to view all the SQL plus tool command, not SQL language, SQL plus tool commands. Okay, yeah. Here better to know why, because anybody net only they are referring about which command or anything they're typing, they're checking means better. And now observe it here. Yes, if you want to view all predefined SQL plus tool environment commands and related default values, then we are using following syntax. What is that one means? Show space all. Take a snap this one. Okay, this is the SQL plus tool regularly used daily settings I am telling only. Okay, yeah, here based on this knowledge is enough. Then we are starting a what installation process. Okay, na, yeah, here very easiest installation. But before installation, what are the prerequisites are required for installing a what Oracle database, I will tell you. Then only how you are installing a Oracle software. Then only okay, some environment settings again, some other thing is there. Okay, na? Yes. Through that one, once you are installing a what Oracle software, then daily we are practicing a what practically. That easy. Okay, na? Yeah. That is maybe next class side better because some fellows are attending. Tomorrow there is no class. Monday will continue. Thank you. Monday, don't miss the class. Installation, I will tell you. But anybody they want to install their own way means through the net, any YouTubes are there. Through that one also you are installing your own wish. But I am telling only installation process, those all the things. Okay, yeah. Monday will continue. Thank you.